Yes, this side. Yeah, come now, come. Hey! Sister Monica! Oh my goodness, is this you? Hey! Sorry, where have you been? We've been looking for you. Hey! Thank goodness you're back.
Hey! Food good. Hey!
Hope you enjoy the food.
I don't get myself now. Any question when I ask me, I'm gonna fire that. Hi.
Sister Monica, who did they say sent them?
All those evil people. You don't tell me, oh. They don't tell me, oh. They just say, can they put this in my mouth for waiting no concern me. As I talk that one, my mind just goes straight to one person.
I said it! I said it! My instinct does not fail me. Hey! Thank goodness I arrested that wicked soul. Very evil man.
What is it? Who you arrest?
Your boss, of course. As we speak now, he's in the police net. Hey! You need to kill me! You need to kill Belinda!
But she did the right thing now.
Who sent you message? Why you go arrest her? Stand up, no go bail am. You dey crazy, you dey look me. Stand up, no go bail am. Hey! We no fit bail am na night oh.
You should stay there.
We no fit.
You should stay there. You should rot in jail.
You dey crazy? I send you message.
I want you to remember. I want you to know. This world is turn by turn. It's turn by turn. Okukoji, geigwa wacha, mogelua. Anofia.
Nothing to do for you.
I have been calling you for days now. It's been switched off.
Now you just drive, come here. Sometimes say they come.
I called you. I tried reaching you, but it wasn't connected.
As you call me where you no connect, that one mean say come. You understand? Because problem been there, but as you come here, you no connect. That one mean say you come park your car for here.
How are you?
How are you?
I'm fine.
I did fine too. Okay. Now you ask me that. Hello, Belly G.
What is going on here?
What are you doing here? Well, I know nothing. Yes, it's my Facebook friend I told you.
What do you mean she's my Facebook friend I told you? Do you actually know Monica?
Why you dey shout? What happened? Come, what happened?
Men, now only lie down her mouth. Now only lie when down her mouth. I didn't say not be your babe.
She's not my babe. She's not. We're just friends. She's my Facebook friend. I told you about her.
She's not my babe. She's not my babe. She's not. We're just friends. My Facebook friend I told you about. I bet come the go, not to the lie. You defend my friend, you come and call the lie.
We are not. Why are you saying this, Monica?
We're not.
I haven't even asked her out.
Why are you saying this, Monica? Why are you saying this? She's not. I haven't even asked her out.
Come on.
I bet come and go.
Monica, listen, just stop this.
They go. I can't make it go.
It's done by done. Okukoji, geigwa wacha, mogelua. Anofia, gapuwano no molua. Nothing lasts forever. Chichira.
What's up? What's the update? What's up?
He's out.
He's out. How? That's not his house. You decided to let him out?
My sister is back. And she bailed him.
I don't understand. Your sister is back. How did that happen? Did she say who kidnapped her or... Is she alright?
Too many questions at the same time. You won't even ask the most important if your fiancé has eaten. You won't ask.
It's also important. Babe. Babe. How did your sister get...
I don't get it. Since you came back last night to this palace, you've been all to yourself. You have refused to talk to anyone. What is the problem? Is this how you're going to handle the affairs of this kingdom? You get withdrawn whenever things bother you.
Mom, this is a personal affair. It has nothing to do with the kingdom's administration.
Oh, son, that is where you get it all wrong. As the heir apparent to the throne, whatever affects you affects the entire kingdom, and it shall be treated as such.
Well, this particular one, it's emotional, should be handled by just me.
Leave us. Excuse us. Son, if really you can handle the problem, you shouldn't have had sleepless nights and worrisome morning. Talk to me, son. Who is that girl in this kingdom, or even in this whole world, that has taken this sleep away from you? I want to know who she is so that I can break her.
Sometimes it's not all about force and authority. Besides, no woman has said no to me. Rather, my appearance is about destroying a long-time friendship, and I wouldn't want that to happen.
Son, make me understand.
Okay, Mom. I met this girl on Facebook.
Okay.
We've been friends, but we do not have anything in common.
Okay.
Just friends. So, the other day we went to survey the land for our palm oil factory. After everything, I asked the guards and Onowu to go back to the palace because I wanted to see her for the first time. So on my way, something strange happened.
What strange thing happened?
My car broke down.
What strange thing happened?
My car broke down on a lonely path. So while I was trying to fix my car in that frustration, this particular young lady came by. She was actually on her way to the farm. So when she saw me, she offered to help me. She decided to drop everything. Mom, could you believe this girl? Pick up.
Good?
Yeah.
Action.
Mom, could you believe that this lady faced my car within a twinkle of an eye? She faced everything.
So, is it her mechanical expertise that captured you, or her feminine skill? Come on, son. You of all people should know that you have no business to mingle with all these peasant farmers or some local mechanic girl or whatever.
No.
Yes.
Mom, you are more lettered than what you just expressed.
Pick up action.
Mom, you are more lettered than what you just expressed. Don't forget I studied. Mom, don't forget I studied in one of the best administrative schools in the world, Harvard. So I have my personal resolution and judgment when it comes to life matters.
You know, like I told you, all my pass are from Lagos that they bring them. And the German pass. That is why sometimes people say it's expensive, but it's not expensive, it's normal thing. That's what will last. Durable pass. No. If I tell you the price, that's what it is. I don't add money in my pass. Now you know me. Belinda, what are you doing in my shop?
Oga Jumbo, I'm sorry. I'm sincerely sorry for everything that happened. Please, I'm sorry.
Sorry to kill you there. The very first time I went to police station was to beg down your foolish friend, the mad girl you brought to my workshop. The very first time in my entire life that I slept in police cell, was because of you, Belinda. You and that your friend. And you're here telling me sorry. You are sorry.
Just find a place in your heart to forgive me. I'm truly sorry. I wasn't coordinated at all. Yes, I wasn't. I acted based on what you've been saying. Even as it stands now, I'm having issues with Monica based on this whole thing. Please just forgive me, Uncle Jumbo, please.
You see? This is what I told you. You know where you met yourselves. Just go there and sort whatever issue you have with her. Don't bring me inside it. I've told you, no, don't bring me inside. And don't ever near my property again. Hey. Belinda, leave my property before I do something drastic. Get out of my property. Wait. You should take it easy with her now. Take it easy. Take it easy with her. See, I don't blame you. That's what others in my place they said. They said if when somebody's buried and somebody's not on ground when they bury the person, if they want to dig, they'll start digging from the feet. That is true, but at least hear from her first. She's just a girl. Can we go back to our discussion and stop discussing about this fool? So how much now? How much before you start the cop price again? How much? Now you're talking. How much I tell you before, sir? Okay, you're going to joke with me. How much? How much I tell you? Now, this guy, no, how much I tell you before? 2.5. I lied.
No, carry that one. Go now. Stop here. Go put them more. Yeah, I know. Sit here when you bid for this place now. No, there we go 2 pesos. No, man, I go think do all those ones. You're pushing inside. Yes, ma'am. It's just to play wickedness. Hey, come. You come. This one tell you before, say you go push go that side. Now you're not go bring bench, come. Carry that keg, go make carry that nest, come back. Put her inside, like, make cover this place. Okay. Go dry on top. Yes. After you try nail and put please no people can come on. Yes, sir. And you carry the 2 boxes. This one like your phone box. Put her inside. You understand? Carrying that up on my feet inside. And the time post? Yes, sir. Not get this one, you'll see the one for junction there. Okay. I will do everything. You like this one? No, Whoa, guy. You have to do this. Slow, like, slow, like the work you have to do. I don't know, say, hard work is I'm not saying, you didn't say make I choose workers. I know what you choose. No, ma. Go where they go! Madam, no very. Go wash am. Hey, come. Go back. Don't go allow madam. Stop it. What's what I send you?
Son, I can't stand watching you make mistakes in life. And that was why I reacted the way I did. Be sure you are doing the right thing.
Mama, I'm doing the right thing. Don't forget I've run my business empire single-handedly without you and Dad before his demise. So I know what I am doing.
Emotional issues and human management are quite different. Yes. Okay, back to your story. About the lady you said you met on Facebook for a while now. How do you feel about her?
Well, I feel nothing for her. Ironically, the person I have serious affection for, it's Monica, irrespective of the fact we just met.
Then, son, follow your heart. Yes.
Boy, I don't know where this feeling of guilt wells up from inside me. Belly J's reaction yesterday made me realize she has developed serious affection for me. I'm confused.
Son, as long as you never professed any love to her, you have no explanation. You have nothing to worry about. Kings are not driven by emotions. They are ruled by rational evaluation and principle. Create your own world, my dear. Son, whomever you bring home as your fiancé, I will support you. Okay?
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome. Now smile for Mama. That's my son.
Because of a position, you just play wickedness. Because of a position, you just play wickedness. Tell me, remember tomorrow day. That you if onye na-emeno ya lotakwechi
Mary, sister, where's the food that you're supposed to cook?
Sister, don't have strength to cook.
Wait. Did I just hear you well? Mary, you do not have strength to cook. You don't have strength to put fire on the stove to cook. But you have strength to eat bread and drink tea.
Yes, now, sister. Sister, but you are there when the doctor said that I should not stress myself because of my pregnancy.
May thunder fire that your useless mouth. Oh, so it is me, Faith, that will now stress myself for you. She? Anyway, I am tired of this your nonchalant attitude. So you will go and meet the man that impregnated you. That good-for-nothing idiot that impregnated you. You will go and live with him so that he will carry his load. I am tired. I am just tired. Look at you. Shameless fool.
Sister, don't call me fool because condition changed for me. I have better plans for myself. But don't worry. Dry bone shall rise again. In the next episode of BB Naija, I will bounce back and possess my possession.
Can you just listen to yourself? Listen to yourself talk. I can see that boy did not just brainwash you. He has replaced your brains with potty. Look at you. So you still have the guts to trust that imbecile. After knowing that it is not only you, Wanogi, that got pregnant for him. Hell, my dear, you will go and live with him. Let him carry his burdens by himself. Because from this moment, you're on your own. And you are not getting any dime from me.
Sister, hey, me, I'm not going anywhere. I'm in this house. And I will eat whatever I want to eat. Because it's but the first month, not your own. And don't disturb me.
So you now carry your shoulders as an elevator for me, even in this your useless condition. Are you talking to me? You!
remove my crates, chair, pack everything, lock my shop, and hold the key.
My prince, besides being the Onowu, I am your father's closest friend. It has been long your father died. The kingdom has not stayed so long without a king. Tongues are beginning to wag.
I understand, Onowu. So I need you to guide me on the necessary things to put in place for the coronation.
My prince, everything is in place. But my prince, remember, we cannot crown a king without a queen. You have to get a wife beside you. Then that one will be, as you know, many families are clamoring for rotational kingship.
I will do the needful to retain the name of my ancestral dynasty.
I'm happy to hear this. I will contact the Council of Chiefs. But my prince, don't let it linger so long.
Okay, Onowu. I want to tell you that moves have been made towards that direction. And God has given me a suitable bride.
Oh. So you kept this away from me,
No,
my prince?
No. You know, I met her the other day. We went to survey the land for the palm oil factory. You will know her soon.
Just the other day?
Yes.
Okay. This is jet age, as you people call it. Well, meanwhile, let me go and attend to some personal matters, my prince. But for you to know that I am solidly behind you.
Of course, I know that.
Go ahead. Thank you. I should be on my way.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Your drink.
Okay. You see, my prince. Okay. Thank you.
Drink up.
Babe, make you no be say I fake alarm with the raise. Can't they put fear for my body? Huh? You can't make me they release my captives.
Oh, you dey meant? No, you dey okay. You dey cap carelessly. You dey cap anyhow. Which one be fake alarm? Now that one be the thank you where you go tell me. No, you dey Jones, so you dey Jones, ma I tell you. No one, next time day. You go still sup. You go call me now, make I go give you information. No one, make a match.
Oh yeah, it's the verse.
Why I no go verse?
It's the verse. The thing be say, me, something they confuse me. If you say Philip and sister they suspect us, call report us for police station. That my policeman friend now, he suppose don't call me for phone. Or even Philip himself go suppose don't call me for phone.
You dey mense. You don't get brain. So you feel say that man go just owe you like that, eh? You don't know saying go they coordinate things. In they won't coordinate things, they code things. Make Philip no find what they happen. He go don't even they pretend. Make Philip no just code what they solve. You don't get sense.
Yeah, the boy like this. Eh? How you take Sian? That stupid girl, still they strive my man. Eh? No. I no go feel let her day like that. No. No. I beg.
So we they talk about better thing. Now this one you bring come out and they strap your man. You see and see. You don't even know whether na devil dig pit for you make you fall inside down. You know they use your head. You they cap careless. You see this your matter with Philip and his wife. My hand no day again. I need they bab you. No just try call my name because I go mend you. No try
Rose, wait. Wait till you try talk. No, I won't get you. Wait till you try talk. So now you won't leave me. You no go fit follow me go fight for wetin I love. Eh? So you no go fit follow me now go put body. Na wetin you wan talk na? Eh? No wahala. If na wetin you want, no one.
Are you sure you're not making a mistake about this girl? Yes, I know she has some great qualities that will endear her to people. But son, her background, her status, her class...
Mom, would you rather prefer I bring you a classy lady with no value and virtue? What is a lady you want?
Come on, son. There are lots of people that have the same qualities as she does. This girl we're talking about cannot make a simple sentence in English. All she knows is pidgin.
But Mom, there is something about this girl that is beyond the physical. Talking about that, I think there is something I need to find out about her. Not negative though, but I have to.
Son, so how do you explain this to the people?
Mom, what she's doing is not wrong. And based on what you just said, it is only the palace members that will take the palace matter out.
Guy, gentle, why you keep me waiting? Eh?
Shoo? No, you holler at me now. Abi, you want make a fly be bed?
It was why come because the business I can't come for you. Wait till they talk.
I hope not be that kind of last business where jabraka for middle of fashion.
Oh, guy, chill. You know say when jungle rough, lion go duck. Calculate before you go strike. Wetin happen be say we pick the wrong number. But this time around, na the main target we go grab.
You sure? That be when time reach to persecute action, you go chicken out like tulu. See, make I clear you. This time around, you go pay me in full. See, I don't want wetin happen 1987 make it happen again. You know the matter.
But you must suppose know say na me dey lose for this thing now. Yes! Na me dey lose because if you say the thing go well, but you suppose know say na me dey lose now. Na me dey lose for this one now. Because if you say the matter go the way we plan, I'm not supposed to pay you again.
You get the point. Correct, mama. So clear me now.
Too like
Who you want more understand?
Too like money. Check your phone. I don't send you money already.
You don't mean it. Are you serious? Show me the picture. Show me the picture. Abeg. See, as it stands now, my boys they hunger for money. Where?
And the girl be that.
You see now this? That shit. You go send me the picture. Make I write down.
You don't trust me.
Mama, yo. You know the matter now.
Opened up to any relationship because I thought something was going on between us. Kenny Roger, how could you do this to me? I loved you with every fiber in my bone. I never knew it would end up like this. I thought something with desire always come to us. I thought you were going to surprise me. That's why I didn't say anything to you. Yes, I know you did not profess any love to me, but I was expecting it as a surprise. Kelvin, why? Why are you this cruel? Why did you do this to me? Why? I thought you loved me. I thought things were going to work out between us, but I was wrong. Kelvin, why? Kelvin, why? Why? Belinda, you have to stop crying. You have to stop crying. Now you have to stop crying. It's okay. It's fine. It's fine. It's okay. It's fine.
You won't hurt me? What did you find?
The thing.
Why did you use your nose to choke my head?
Sorry, man.
Go repair the motor. Go repair the motor. Go repair the motor.
My nose never chopped since morning. I dey hungry.
Chris. You use your nose to choke my head.
Sorry, man.
Who be that? Go check who be that! Who be that?
A customer.
Yeah.
How are you?
Faster.
Monica.
Not be you are testing, I know me you come here again. Not be you are one, I know me you come here again.
Monica. How do you expect someone who doesn't know his friends walk out of your life just like that?
I don't know why you talk in English now. Na English you don't speak so. I don't tell you say, I don't want me to come here again. I know. Oh, I go punch him now.
Sorry, man.
He stand. He stand. They do romantic move.
Sorry, man.
Other way they talk now, na just grammar. I'm not fit for trouble. You understand?
Why are you being too hard on me?
I dey hard on you.
Yes.
When you deceive my friend from Facebook, you know they hard on now. I dey ask you now. When you come here, come bend your neck, say you love me, you love me, you love me. You know they hard on us.
I never deceived your friend, and she knows it. Yes.
If you not deceive her, she not gonna do the way she did do. Imagine since that day she never follow me talk. You not deceive her, now you the best like that. Eh?
Honestly, your friend and I were we had nothing in common. But to cut the long story short, we just reconciled our differences. I'm just coming from her shop.
Ah, you better give me back. You better back.
Not in that contest. No, not in that contest. Is it? Yes, we just reminded each other that we were never dating and we're just friends.
That's why you talk now. I'm not going to believe you until I hear from her mouth. She go tell me by herself. You understand? So if you owe your peace, you know, if that one don't mean say me and you get anything to do together, but I must hear from her mouth first. So we don't reconcile.
I should call her. You speak to her yourself. How is everything?
Why you do your face like that? Do your cheeks well now? Why? What happen? Why did you do romance? Do your face well, babe.
Okay, let me call her.
Why you do that? What do you?
How are you?
Very well.
Okay. Ooh.
Are you okay?
Yes, I am. It's something that's been bothering me.
What is it, honey?
It's pertaining your sister, your elder sister.
Okay.
Is there a problem? Is there an issue between both of you? I don't want to believe that the little differences between both of you is enough reason you have not visited her since after her captivity.
Honey, please. I don't think we should be discussing about the differences between my sister and I. We shouldn't be talking about that in our home.
Look, I don't think it is right. Yeah. I don't think it's right you have not visited her again since she resurfaced.
Thing is, my sister always wants me to notice her. But unfortunately, my notification button is turned off. Please, let's not talk about that.
Fine. Your life, your choices.
Exactly.
Surprise, surprise. There you go. I have paid for your shop.
The shop!
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, honey! You've paid!
Yes. Now you can start the business of your dreams.
Thank you.
Exactly.
You are so sweet.
So you are too.
You are my perfect gift from heaven.
And now.
Tell me, why do you love me so much despite my shortcomings?
Because you're the best.
Thank you. I'm so emotional right now.
Exactly. I know. No.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Here. Thank you so much.
One more thing.
Okay.
I need you to make a promise to me.
Anything.
I want you to go back to school and finish your program.
Oh, anything you require of me, I will do it. I'm going to always be loyal, baby.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, so you can celebrate. You can start making plans on how you're going to buy your goods. Invite your friends, your shop warming, your shop opening.
Babe, you're simply impossible. You mean you achieve all this in few days we didn't keep in touch?
The best now. But you shock me, oh. You shock me. How you go take even think that? Say me, I'll snatch your man. I no go fit. You be my body. I no go fit. You understand?
Well, it's my fault. I was actually building castle in the air. Because of his care, he's too caring and I forgot we are just mere friends. I'm really sorry. Okay? Do you remember that when I mentioned about Kenny Roger, the one that paid my hostel fee, even school fees in one session? Yes.
Name me that?
Yes.
Name me that?
Yes.
He reached the first. He reached the first, oh. Name me the person. Oh. No wonder he paying you.
Oh. It's okay, it's not his fault. Have you given him any response?
Matchmaker. I beg, no be one they do me now. I want face the one they do me now. Now I want face now. The two they bother me and I want face, so I never run creep. You understand? If you even look my armpit and my hand, not too much. And the bleach. You understand?
But try. Oh, try just small. Give him attention.
Matchmaker, I don't hear. Make a first face do what they do me first. You understand? I face that one.
Monica change.
Change.
Bend small.
You think you can go use your own Chris? Think I'm going to stop my own Chris? You understand?
My daughter, I am impressed by your kind gesture. People hardly bring things to the palace. Mostly they come to collect. But you thought it wise to bring.
No wala, my queen. No wala. This one even small. I don't know say na here they call. They hide that, you no tell me. They say I know I for do well. Na shame pro max now they feel so.
Mom, she's right. She never knew I was royalty till this moment.
My daughter, you have done noble. You are well brought up.
Thank you, my queen. It's pure small. Because besides those na here they call true that oil for full up. The yam for add one more.
My dear, see it as a test of wife material. And you have passed beyond description.
Thank you, my queen. Thank you. Brother, the oil, put that down.
Which is my queen?
The oil, wait, I go open that down.
My prince, the vehicle could not start. May I use one of your private cars for the errand?
Okay, fine. In that case, you have to get a mechanic to fix it immediately, please.
Now, which kind of talk be that? Now you talk mechanic when I sit down here. I go fix her now.
Come on, babe. You can't do such hair. Moreover, you didn't come with your tools.
I carry and come. That have been one. Now we get long nose. They know say once they move, my tool and my uniform, they move with me. I carry and I go fix her now.
No, my daughter. You are going to be the future queen of this kingdom. You cannot be perceived as a commoner by your subjects.
My queen, what you talk makes sense. Points there. But if you can't check him again, mechanic will come marry prince, we come there for palace. Now royal mechanic. Respect still there. They will still respect her. Me go show make her fix her. Go show me.
I want you to remember, I want you to know, this world is turn by turn, it's turn by turn. Okukoji, Geyigwa Wacha, Mogelua, Anofia, Gapokwano, no Molua, nothing lasts forever. Chijira Chige, Fokwefo. It will cost you nothing to be good to people, but why? And when we for marry her, and I for Nyafubanya, a children for woman, but me for marry Faje, Megidea. And when we for marry her, and I for Nyafubanya, a children for woman, Mano me for marry Faje, Megidea. And when we for marry her, and I for Nyafubanya.
I beg, you don't talk like I say I no do again. I no do. See, ma, I tell you, again when you go reach for person life, person guys advise herself. So now my time be this.
Babe, this is not the last job I go prosecute. Before I march, I stop you. No, you see me block your way. Who I be now? Are the men? I no stop you. But my matter be say I no do again. Anyway, no be what you carry me come be this. What you carry me come be say I can't happy say I dey leave this villa. I dey beg come out for this villa tomorrow. What will you talk? You won't leave me here come out? No, what do you mean? I won't understand.
You reach, never vex. What you dey talk be say I no do again. I don't change. I dey talk say me you go do better thing with your life. Me, I don't born twice.
You born twice? Forget it. Me and you know say you no fit born twice for this life. You're just confused. Drink up. You know they go anywhere. Me and you dey here. You no go leave me come out now. You know possible.
I don't stop you. Just there they cap careless. My own be say tomorrow I don't boy enter city. Make shoe. I need they useful to my. I don't go day inside water so go they enter my eye. Pants go they wear me. I beg, I don't do this one with you again, I beg.
You mean Amo?
Cheers.
Hey, like you mean what you talk so?
You all must be wondering what happened here today. It's all staged and managed by me because I wanted the prince to get a good wife for a queen. Whatever happened in this palace these days must remain in the palace. It must not cross that gate. If I hear anything outside this palace, I repeat, if I hear anything outside this palace, you all must be punished and dealt with. Is that clear?
Yes, my queen.
So, be warned. You may return to your duty post.
Hey, Mary, leave this house. I should leave this house. You're supposed to be the one to leave from me, not me. Say, you better leave this house. I hear you. You better leave this house. Hey! Mike, you tell her to go. Mike, you will not talk. Tell this girl to leave here. What do you want him to say? What do you want Mike to say? Mike, I'm not coming to now. I just imagine when she's naked how she will look like you will look. I have bomb bomb. I have my bomb bomb. I have my bomb bomb. Mike, tell her to go. Mike, you don't want to talk. Tell her to go. Tell this girl to live here. I'm not around one. Mike, you tell her to go. Wait, see, here about Hundi model.
I don't know what is wrong with you people. I don't know why you people will leave your houses and come to my house and be fighting. What is it? It's a walk. What? No. What's the meaning of that?
Tell Mary to leave your house.
Wait, what's it? Wait. Seems like you people want to lose your taxes or becoming the next candidate to be the. See, I know how I helped Telecom. I know how I helped. You want to miss this? And you wait.
I know. Mike, see, they have to go. I came here first though.
You know, say you know they try at all, Abi. You know they try at all. Because if say I not carry that small present go, how Queen for take they look me now? She could they look me like a nuisance.
The only embarrassment today, if you ask me, was your display. I can't believe you did that.
What did I do?
Oh, you don't know what you did?
I don't know what I do. True. You know they appreciate good thing. You know they appreciate good thing at all. So, after they look you, make all those quack mechanic there, spoil the motor, then collect your money for your hand on top.
I know you didn't mean it when you said, I do not appreciate good things. You don't get the point, do you?
What's your point?
The point is you have become royalty by the virtue of our relationship. And I need you to carry yourself with that air.
I mean, which air? The first one I met you, the right prince for your head. The tell you, who they even tell you I want to marry you? What's make it say I want to marry you? Because I never even understand. Because of say you be prince, everything don't scatter. Magana don't ya carry. It don't scatter.
You are joking, right?
I follow you play. Do your face over. Me, I follow you play.
Then, where are you going?
You said I follow you play now. If I don't come there, you don't understand. They follow you play. Do your face well first. Do your face well.
I say on the right machine. Stand like this.
My leg go. Madam, my leg. Madam, I don't die, yo.
I beg sorry, man.
Madam, I die a day, oh. See my leg.
Now you was pass. Now you was pass. Because I don't call you before. I don't talk to you. I said, man, you stand like this. Because if I know enforce discipline for this place, when I go turn to nuisance mechanic, where they cause trouble for road. Hey, close your smelly mouth.
Hey! Madam, my life. My life outside now. Yeah.
Sorry.
I love you stand again, madam. My leg, they shake.
Sorry, man.
Don't die.
They play, no problem, they play. As a joke for you, they play.
Monica, what is going on here?
Indiscipline for this, my shop, done too much. If I not do this thing, the indiscipline for this shop, it done too much. And this one where you see so, 9 was pass. As you see where we wear socks like all those people where they do blue film for Germany. 9 was pass.
Monica, even me, they even beg now. Please, just free them. Oh?
I don't advise them say, this work, take am serious. This Abino and this one will get half eye, then they hear. Every morning you go just wear socks. Like all those people when they do blue film. You go begin the strike, they come here. They misbehave. I
beg, I follow the beg, I beg, just free them.
Now they beg.
They will faint too. Look at his legs are shaking.
See who they save you here. See who they save you here. May you carry that your punk. Come on here, Nana 12 now.
Thank you. Mama, thank you. God bless you.
Thank you, Mama. If I don't teach people there's something, they go they misbehave. They go they misbehave.
You said we have long gist. What's the gist?
Better gist. I get my reason why I make sure say you reach here. If I tell you, if I tell you for phone, but if I tell you for phone, you go faint.
This is not that Belinda. Not from my Belinda. Now I have grown an elephant skin. So tell me.
That's your Kenneth. You don't say na Prince.
Who dash Kenneth Prince? Kenneth Prince. It's impossible.
Real life Prince. I go to the house now. In mama na queen.
Kenneth.
Ha! I open my mouth not fit close. Real Prince. As I look at her, I say, I beg, I no fit to. This one, you don't deceive us. I no fit follow her. You shock you, Abby? You shock you?
Unbelievable.
Okay.
What's that?
I beg, now you say we dey wait for again. Who him be?
He's my boy. My personal photographer and errand boy.
Your boy? I be your guy.
My boy.
Ha! Now the person who kidnap me be this now. Wait tell me say I too they talk too much. Come give me bread and drink. Now be this now. All of them who kidnap me they reach plenty. Now in short pass. Now in the fear pass. No be me Dracula.